wake up and dream again. Get up, sing with me, my friend. Olivia believes in dreams. Noah lives his dreams. We are the dreamers, come along, you'll see. Wake up and dream again. Get up, sing with me, my friend. Our dreams are the world we live in. We create the dreams we believe in. We are the dreamers and we love to dream.
Hi, kids! From A to Z.
From east to west.
I'm Noah.
And I'm Olivia.
Welcome back to
Dream Again! Yay!
Yay, we're back in our arts and crafts studios.
Yeah, and look! I'm making myself a house.
Wow. Not a house.
Well, maybe
It's a little bit small. You can't live in that house.
Maybe I'm going to shrink down really small, and then I'm going to climb in this house and live in here. Because it's going to be so cute.
I would love to see that when you do that.
Yeah, I'd love to see that too. I think that we're going to have to do a lot more science if I'm going to shrink down into this little birdhouse, huh?
Yep.
Yeah.
I'm just going to make this house, which looks like a barn,
Yeah.
for a bird.
Ooh, that's a really good idea.
It's a birdhouse.
Yeah.
Right?
I think I'll make mine a birdhouse too.
Yep.
Yeah.
I already put the string on there.
Ooh, yeah. This is to hang it up outside,
Yeah.
right? Like that, so birds can fly into it.
Yep.
Ooh, neat.
And kids, you can cut houses like this at home too, right?
Yeah.
All you need is wood, a design, your parents' help,
Yeah.
and some glue.
Yeah, and you could use popsicle sticks. So if you just glued together popsicle sticks and make it like a log cabin.
Yep.
Yeah.
That works too.
And then the hole in the front, this heart, this is a hole, and his circle is a hole.
Yep.
And that is where the bird can go inside to make their nest inside.
But these birds would have to be very tiny too.
Yeah, these are mostly decoration birdhouses.
Yeah, these are decoration birdhouses, and because we're using them as decoration, we better make them look really nice.
Yeah, for sure. I think I want mine to be very like bright and to really stand out.
Yep.
Yeah.
You know what I'm gonna do?
What are you gonna do?
I'm going to make this for Dad,
Aw,
and I'm gonna give it to him.
that's really nice.
And maybe he can put it up in his office or in his room or wherever he wants to put it. But
Yeah.
I'm gonna make it for Dad.
That's really nice. I'm torn. I was gonna make mine for me, but that's a really good idea. So maybe I should make mine for Mom.
It's up to you. I can also make this for Mom. And you can make yours for Dad.
Either way.
But that wouldn't solve your problem.
Nope. It would just be a whole new one.
Yeah.
I think I'll make it for Mom or Dad, either of them or both of them. We can just give them both to both of them.
Yeah, why do we do that?
Yeah, let's do that.
Yeah.
Perfect.
Why don't we do that?
That's a good idea.
We'll just give both of our houses to Mom and Dad.
Yeah,
Okay.
but I bet they'll hang them up so we can still see them.
Yeah,
Yeah.
exactly.
Great.
And then you have
Perfect.
the best of both.
Yeah, absolutely. Okay. And kids, you're also gonna need some paint and a paintbrush to paint it.
And a palette just like this.
Yep. Yeah, you can put all your paints in there and mix your different colors. Okay. I'm gonna grab my paintbrush.
I'm going to make mine, of course. Which color?
Blue!
Yeah, exactly.
And what color am I gonna make mine? Goodness.
Oh, well, it could be either green, purple, blue, yellow, orange, red.
Oh, Noah.
It could be any of those colors.
It could be. But what color do you think I'm gonna do?
Looks like you're using white.
I'm using some white and I'm gonna use...
Red.
Yeah, red.
I'm gonna make sure that the inside of my circle is nice too.
Oh, that's a good idea.
I have to be careful with these fences here.
Yeah, the fences are gonna be very hard.
I'll probably make those white.
Yeah, I think I like your idea of laying it down.
It's a bit easier, isn't it?
Oops. Yeah, it seems a lot easier. Yeah, I'm doing the inside too.
Okay. Looks good.
Thanks. Yours looks really good too. Oh, I have an idea. Oh, okay.
Oh, because this is a birdhouse, but birds can't live in there. I have an idea.
I wonder if we had the same idea.
Well, I guess the kids will just have to stay tuned to find out.
It'll be really, really, really exciting.
Yeah. We'll be right back.
Okay, we'll see you in a second, kids.
Yep.
This has got to dry.
And there, just the final design. And I need to clean this up.
Done.
Almost done. One moment.
I was so fast on this one, huh?
Yeah, you're really good. Okay. I think it's dry.
Okay.
Should we show?
Yeah, should we turn them around?
Whoa. Wow. Oh my, Olivia.
Aw.
That birdhouse looks amazing.
Wow, thank you. And yours too, Noah.
Wow. It's okay, but yours, I wonder what's the...
Can I show?
Oh yeah, you have to.
Okay, so this is the front. Yeah. And then
there's a ladybug.
Yeah, this is the ladybug. And the ladybug flew, see the little line? The ladybug flew from the back of the building to the side.
Oh,
and then on the other side, there's another little ladybug. Yeah.
That's amazing.
Oh, thank you, Noah.
Wow, that must have been hard to paint.
Yeah, it's actually not as hard as you think. Do you want me to tell you how you do it?
Yeah.
So if you paint a red circle,
okay,
yeah, and then you take a little bit of black and you just do a line. So here. So you paint a red circle, and then if you just take a little bit of black and do a little bit of line halfway in the middle of the red circle down to the bottom, and then a little tiny black circle at the top, and a couple of little black dots. Oh, then you have a ladybug.
Wow.
Yeah. So it's not completely easy, but it's not as hard as it looks for sure. Wow. And especially if you do a bigger one. This one, I had a really, really, really little tiny brush, or else I couldn't have done it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But it looks amazing with just the two colors, red and white.
Oh, thanks.
Very contrasting. Very nice.
Thank you. Yeah, I decided it would be a ladybug house since it was too little to be a bird house. Yep. What did you do?
This is mine.
Oh, wow. I love it. And you have a little bird too.
Yeah, I painted a bird right out front because since it's too small for birds, but there's a small bird that can live there.
Oh, is it maybe a blue jay since the whole barn is blue?
Exactly, it's a blue jay.
Yeah, I like yours. Yours is very contrasty too because it's got bright blue and dark blue and white. Yeah.
Dark blue.
Yeah.
Dark blue.
Ooh.
Dark blue. Light blue.
Yeah.
And then the base I did yellow.
Oh yeah. I didn't even see that at first. Oh, that's beautiful.
And then a white roof.
Yeah. I think these are gorgeous. Mom and Dad are really gonna like these.
Yeah, I think so too.
I think so too. And so will the imaginary little tiny birds.
Yep.
Yeah.
Should we give it to them?
Yeah. Let's go give it to them. Okay.
Well, kids, we should say goodbye to the kids before we go. Well, kids, I hope you can do a birdhouse like this too. It's very, very simple. And like we said, you can either build it yourself or you can paint it on a piece of paper.
Yeah, for sure.
You can cut it out of like a cardboard board.
Yeah.
Or you just buy one.
Sticks,
or use popsicle sticks or buy one. So there are many options of how you can do it. But just again, use your imagination to make it as colorful and beautiful as you want it to be.
And you can make it for any animal, even though it's a birdhouse. Like you could make a frog house.
Yep.
Yeah, that'd be fun.
Exactly. And you can keep it for yourself or you can give it away as a gift like we're doing.
Definitely.
So we'll see you next time.
See you next time.
Thanks for watching.
Coming. Bye.
Wake up and dream again. Wake up and dream again. Olivia believes in dreams. Noah lives his dreams. They are the dreamers and they love to dream. Wake up and dream again. Wake up and dream again. Our dreams are the world we live in. We create the dreams we believe in. We are the dreamers and we love to dream.
Hi there! If you like what you see on Dream Again, please make sure to hit the subscribe button, like us, and comment down below. Thanks!